Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make lava cake with biscuits. This easy guide will show you how to create a decadent dessert using a surprising shortcut, refrigerated biscuit dough. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can whip up these warm, chocolatey treats. Get ready to impress your friends and family with a dessert that looks fancy but is incredibly simple to prepare. Let's dive into the steps. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 standard can of refrigerated biscuit dough, typically containing 8 biscuits. For the molten center, grab about 4 ounces of your favorite chocolate, like semi-sweet or dark chocolate chips. You'll also need 2 tablespoons of melted butter and 1 large egg. A little powdered sugar for dusting is optional but highly recommended for presentation. Now for the fun part, assembly. Flatten each biscuit into a circle about 3.5 inches in diameter. Place a generous piece of chocolate in the center of each flattened biscuit. Carefully fold the edges of the biscuit over the chocolate, pinching firmly to seal it completely. Bake these delightful parcels at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes, or until golden brown. Once baked, let your lava cakes cool for about 5 minutes. This helps them set slightly while keeping that irresistible gooey center. Carefully transfer them to plates, and for a touch of elegance, dust them with a sprinkle of powdered sugar. Serve them warm with a scoop of vanilla ice cream or fresh berries for an extra special treat. Don't forget to check the description for the link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.